In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a signature in Zoho Mail. If you've been sending emails and keep seeing an old or incorrect signature appear at the bottom, this walkthrough will help you remove it completely so your messages look exactly the way you want. First, open your web browser and go to Zoho Mail. You can do this by typing the Zoho Mail address into the address bar, or by selecting it from your bookmarks if you've saved it before. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one email address. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main inbox view with your folders and messages. From here, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear or cog symbol. Click on that icon to open the settings menu. If you're using the compact layout, it might be slightly smaller or tucked into a drop-down, but it will still be the gear symbol. Give it a second to load, and you'll be taken to the main settings page where you can manage different parts of your email account. On the left-hand side, you'll see different categories of settings. Look for the option labeled Signature. This section controls the text, images, and formatting that automatically appear at the bottom of your outgoing emails. Click on Signature to open the list of existing signatures associated with your account. Once you're in the signature settings, you'll see any signatures you've previously created. This might include personal signatures, work signatures, or ones linked to specific email aliases. Select the signature you want to remove by clicking on it. After selecting it, look toward the upper right area of this section for the delete option. This might appear as a trash bin icon or a button labeled delete. Click on the delete option to remove the selected signature. Zoho Mail may ask you to confirm that you want to delete it. If a confirmation message appears, go ahead and confirm. After that, the signature will be removed from your account. To be sure everything worked, you can go back to your inbox and click Compose to start a new email. In the message window, check the bottom of the email body. You should no longer see the deleted signature appearing automatically. And that's all you need to do to delete a signature in Zoho Mail.